Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ilene. So I'm working on my candy lei. I'm adding my money now to the candy lei. In a previous video I showed you how to wrap the candies. So today I took time out before I started and I folded my dollar bills. These are $1 bills, accordion style. And then I used some clear elastics from Dollar Tree. Can you see that, guys? It's really tiny. This one came in a pack with clear and black, and I just used the clear. Okay, and then I put the rubber band in the middle. Let's just say this is the dollar bill, the length of the dollar bill, and all you do is you accordion fold your money, and then you put a clear elastic in the middle. You take your clear elastic and you put it right in the middle just to secure it so you don't have to use any tape, and then you just open your dollar bills, or you could use paper like this one, and just open your dollar bills out like that, and they'll look like this. Okay, and what I'm doing to my candy lei, I am taking the lei itself and every other candy. I'm not doing every ribbon, I'm skipping a ribbon in between each section, so that way the money is a little spread out because you want to open them up when you're done. Okay, so I've already attached 3 onto the lei, and I'm going to skip this one, and then I'm going to attach it to the next one. And what I do is I put the side that I want to show on my lei up, and I just use the ribbon that I use to tie each section. I'll just attach that to the money, to the candy lei, and I'll just double knot it. Okay, just like this, like that. And if you notice, on the end of my lei, I added the this little decoration from the Dollar Tree, and I saw it at Walmart also, so you can get those at Walmart if you can't find them at your Dollar Tree. So I'm going to skip this one and I'm going to go to the next section. Okay, and I'm only going to attach $10 bills onto this one because I have other leis that I am making. You can use whatever amount you want. I'm doing 10 on this particular lei, and then you can just adjust it to where you want it. All right, so I'm going to continue on, and then I'll come back and share with you what it looks like. Oh, and the last thing I would do is add the who it's from and who it's for onto the lei, just with a simple tag. And look at it, looks so much better with it wide open like that compared to this. Okay, all right, and I'll come back and I'll show you the one is complete, and you can see the full length of the lei. It's very pretty. Just ignore the mess right here. I have a lot going on over here. So here we have our medallion, and then we have our candy lei, and you can see all the dollar bills are opened up. And oh, I missed one. How did I do that? And that is it. That is our candy dollar lei, and this candy lei is $10 on this little necklace. And look at how pretty they look. So when they wear it, you can see all the dollar bills. So I'm gonna work on my next lei and I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So now I'm working with a different fold. And so I just turned one into a leaf, okay? So this is more like the masculine style instead of having it so florally or flowery looking. And I'm going to attach them to my straw leis that I created in a previous video. And let me show you. Okay. So let's say, I'm sorry guys. Use this paper as your dollar bill, okay? This is your dollar bill. It's not the right length, but we're working with that, okay? So to get the leaf fold, what I did, excuse me, I took one side of my dollar bill and folded it down okay, you're not really gonna get to see it that way, so I'm gonna show you. This is just a $5 bill, same thing. I took my bill and you take one side and fold it down all the way down like you're making triangle fold, okay? So you take one side and fold it down, and you take the other end and you want to fold it so you can get another triangle just like that. And then what I did, I fold the narrow end, the top of my trapezoid, that's what I want to call it, fold an accordion fold, okay? So we're going to fold it down, flip it, and fold it again, and flip it and fold it until I get my whole thing folded completely. Just like that. All right, so we got the whole thing folded, and then we're going to take it on the long side and fold it towards each other, just like that, okay? And you want it centered, even. And there we have our leaf, just like that, okay? See how that is? And then I also used a clear elastic again. So pinch the bottom and use the rubber band, 2, 3, 4. And then to keep it together, you take a piece of tape, all right, to the back where this is the what is it called, the peak of the fold. We want the open end to the back. That'll be our backing or our back side, and tape that together. That way it's all pretty on the top, just like that, okay? So now that I got that done, I'm just going to take this apart because I don't want to use my $5 bill like that. Okay, so I'm gonna take that apart and put that to the side. All right. Alrighty, so I'm going to finish taping off my dollar bills, okay, so that we get enough to go onto our yarn lei. And I think I'm going to put 20 of these, I think. think it should be 20. Enough. Enough. And I'll be back after I done finish taping off all my dollar bills. Okay? Okay guys, so I took some of my curling ribbon. This is just the black curling ribbon. And they're already pre-cut. I cut a bunch, like 10-inch lengths. So what I'm doing is, there is, in the fold, there will be a hole. And I'm just taking the curling ribbon and passing it through, because it could go all the way to the other side. Pass it through the hole, all the way through. And this is what we're doing. I think what I will do is I'll take a break here and just get all these threaded through. I'll be back. I'm going to thread all of my leaves and get them all where I want them. And I have 20 of these, so I'll be back. I have them all threaded through, and what I'm doing now is I want to tie them side by side together. So I'm putting 10 leaves on one side and 10 on the other side. Okay, and I'm just going to double knot them, and I'm trying to bring them a little forward, just so, because see, there you go. Once you bring it forward or up towards you and you tie it, it's going to stay there, hopefully. So far they are, but you also could still move them where you want it. See? All right, so as I go through this, I'll come back when I get it all tied on, and I'll show you. Okay, so I have them all tied on. Now I'm just going to curl my ribbons. That way they can see where, you know, each one of them is connected, because it's hard to see where I tied them off. So I'm just going to leave them on my yarn lay and curl the curling ribbons, so it'll still be visible, you know. So I'm just going to continue doing this all the way through the whole lay, and I'll show you what they look like and come back. Okay guys, so this is what the finished lay looks like, and this will be at the bottom. Notice that the top where it sits on your neck part, where it touches your neck, I didn't want to put any dollars or any bills on this end, so because this will sit at the back of the neck. And the dollar bills, you guys might see, it looks almost similar to the Wakanda necklace, but yep, I just left the curling ribbon on here, and it adds to the fluffiness. So I'll probably try to attach a picture if I can, if I get a picture, and I'll share with you at the end, so stay tuned for the photos.